My name is Billie Clark and I'm a Facilities Maintenance Apprentice, and I've been working at AES for 1 year and 7 months. I came to work at AESSEAL after applying to a job advert on the government website. I found the apprenticeship and applied for it and got an interview and luckily got the job. At AESSEAL in the facilities department, there is no typical day. We manage a lot from the security aspect side of the building to general upkeep of the building, from toilets to doors, and also we manage projects refurbing different departments. The thing I enjoy most about my job is being able to do the different trades, so whether that be plumbing, joinery, all the different types of trades, you get to learn it on the job and it's very hands-on experience. The best thing about working for AES is the progression that you get and also the training that the company provides you. At my time at AES, so far I've received my apprenticeship training in the property maintenance. I have also received my first aid course training as well as my PAT testing certificate. And I'm also going on to doing a basic electrical course as well as my telehandler course. We do have a centralised office of facilities where all jobs come in and we store our tools. We also have different storage rooms around the factory where all our stock are kept. But our working environment it's everywhere. It can be outside, it can be on other sites around the country. I chose this position because I really like the hands-on approach to things, and I've always liked learning about the different trades. Once I've finished my apprenticeship, I'm hoping to expand my skill set further in the electrical side of things, which is why I'm going on the electrical course. And I'm hoping to expand more into the plumbing side, as plumbing is quite a vital part of the facilities team here. I would say to others who are thinking about joining AESSEAL is that it's a really good opportunity, as the company provides you with lots of different training as well as the career development, and also the company provide really good job security.